You all know yoga has been an extremely important part of my life since I began practicing at the age of 40. I was that super shy kid who couldn't hang for more than a second during that dreaded flex arm hang back in our PE classes. Yoga was so much more to me than building muscle strength, though. Even though that was plenty, it was the place where I began to build my courage, my confidence, my voice, my ability to decipher what was truly right and wrong for me in my life, in each moment of my life. And now here I am. I am so proud to have these Serenity classes every single Tuesday, which is a slower down version for those times when slowing down is absolutely necessary. And now I have Vitality on Thursdays, which I'm super excited about because I get to have these classes until the end of May. And this one is truly about adaptability. Our bodies need something different in midlife. And that's what you're going to get here. Come join us for Serenity or Vitality or both. You'll get the links right here in this email. I can't wait to share with you what has been so important to me my whole life.